India's most powerful fighter jet, the backbone of the Indian Air Force, has now crashed 3 times in just 3 years. The latest crash in Assam tragically killed 2 highly skilled pilots. But here's the big question. If the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI is so powerful, why are these crashes happening? And more importantly, why is India planning to spend nearly 63,000 crore to upgrade this very aircraft instead of replacing it? Is the Su-30 MKI becoming outdated, or is India about to transform it into something even more deadly? Watch till the end, because the future of India's air power may depend on this decision. And tell me in the comments, should India upgrade the Sukhoi or replace it with new fighters? Part 1, the latest crash. On March 5th, our Indian Air Force Su-30 MKI took off from Jorhat Air Force Station in Assam for a routine training mission. Minutes later, the aircraft disappeared from radar. Soon after, the fighter jet crashed in remote hilly terrain. Both pilots on board, Squadron Leader Anuj Vashisht and Flight Lieutenant Purvesh Durakar, lost their lives. The Air Force confirmed the loss and announced that a court of inquiry would investigate the cause. As of now, officials have not confirmed whether the crash was due to technical failure, weather, or human error. But this accident triggered a major debate because this was the third Su-30 MKI crash in just 3 years. Part 2, a troubling pattern. In June 2024, another Su-30 MKI crashed near the HAL facility in Nashik during a test sortie. Thankfully, both pilots ejected safely. And in January 2023, a Su-30 MKI collided midair with a Dassault Mirage 2000 during a close combat exercise. That tragic accident killed 1 pilot. 3 incidents in 3 years may sound alarming, but surprisingly, the Su-30 MKI still has one of the lowest attrition rates in the Indian Air Force, only about 5%, which means overall, the aircraft has actually been quite reliable. And despite these incidents, the Sukhoi remains the backbone of India's air power. Part 3, combat role in Operation Sindoor. The importance of the Su-30 MKI was clearly visible during Operation Sindoor in May 2025. During the operation, India launched precision strikes on terror infrastructure belonging to Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed. The Sukhoi fleet played multiple critical roles. They conducted combat air patrols along the western border, protecting strike aircraft from potential Pakistani interception. Some Su-30 MKIs were also armed with the deadly BrahMos missile, one of the fastest cruise missiles in the world. Reports suggest that on May 10, these aircraft launched BrahMos strikes against several Pakistani air bases. At the same time, the Sukhois were flying with India's new Astra Mk1 air-to-air missile. This mission reportedly marked the combat debut of Astra. In many cases, the Sukhois also operated alongside the Dassault Rafale, supporting electronic warfare and air superiority missions. Part 4, India's Sukhoi fleet. India originally ordered 272 Su-30 MKI fighters, making it the largest operator of the aircraft in the world. These jets were jointly developed by Sukhoi and Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Most of them were built in India at HAL's Nashik factory. Even after years of service, the fleet still remains the primary multi-role fighter of the Indian Air Force. In fact, in December 2024, India ordered 12 additional Su-30 MKIs worth 13,500 crore rupees to replace aircraft lost over time. But the bigger story is not new aircraft, it's a massive upgrade program. Part 5, the Super Sukhoi upgrade. India is planning one of the biggest fighter jet upgrade programs in its history. The government has approved a 63,000 crore rupee modernization plan for the Su-30 MKI fleet. The goal? Transform the aircraft into what many experts are calling Super Sukhoi, and the upgrade will introduce major improvements, including advanced avionics, multi-sensor data fusion, new electronic warfare systems, modern cockpit interfaces, and longer-range weapons. But the most important upgrade could be the new radar. India plans to install the indigenous Virupaksha SR radar, a gallium nitride-based radar that could increase detection range by up to 70%. The aircraft will also receive a new infrared search and track system, allowing it to detect enemy aircraft without using radar. Together, these upgrades could dramatically improve the Sukhoi's survivability and lethality in modern air combat. Part 6, possible engine upgrade. There's another major possibility. Russia has offered India a more powerful engine, the Saturn Al-41F1S, which could replace the current Al-31FP. If adopted, it could give the Sukhoi better thrust, longer range, and improved maneuverability. However, the Indian government has not yet taken a final decision on this proposal. So, despite recent crashes, the Su-30 MKI is not going anywhere. Instead, India plans to upgrade nearly 200 aircraft, ensuring the Sukhoi remains a key part of its air power for decades. But this raises a critical strategic question. Should India continue upgrading the Sukhoi fleet, or should it invest more heavily in next-generation fighters? And guess what? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you enjoy deep dive defense analysis like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support Indosphere Media, because the next video will reveal something even more surprising: why some experts believe the upgraded Sukhoi could rival 5th generation fighters.